Welcome back to the world of high-end engineering and luxury design, where the traditional rules of the sea are being rewritten by a new generation of visionaries. In the world of superyachts, size has long been the ultimate status symbol, with owners constantly pushing for more length and more decks to showcase their success. However, as we move into 2026, the industry is witnessing a profound shift in philosophy. The conversation is no longer just about how long a vessel is, but rather how intelligently that space is utilized. Today, we are diving into a groundbreaking 115-foot yacht concept that is sending shockwaves through the naval architecture community because it offers more interior volume than many vessels significantly larger than itself. This is the era of the compact superyacht, where efficiency meets opulence, and this specific project proves that you do not need a massive footprint to enjoy a massive lifestyle on the water. By focusing on volume over length, the designers have created a masterpiece that offers the amenities of a 40-meter yacht within a 35-meter frame. To understand the brilliance of this 115-foot concept, we first have to look at the metric that truly matters in luxury shipping: gross tonnage. While length is what people see at the marina, gross tonnage is the measure of the total internal volume of a vessel, and it is the real indicator of how much living space is available for the owner and guests. Traditionally, a 115-foot yacht might feel cramped if you try to fit too many features, but this concept utilizes a wide beam design and a vertical bow to maximize every square inch of the hull. This architectural choice allows for a wider main deck and a more spacious lower deck, effectively pushing the boundaries of what is possible in this size class. It challenges the longer is better myth by showing that through clever engineering, you can have the same master suites, the same beach clubs, and the same sprawling lounges found on 150-foot giants, while remaining nimble enough to enter the world's most exclusive and secluded bays. The exterior profile of the vessel is a masterclass in modern maritime aesthetics, featuring sharp, aggressive lines that hint at its performance capabilities while maintaining a timeless elegance. The use of glass is perhaps the most striking element of the design. Rather than small portholes or standard windows, the designers have incorporated massive floor-to-ceiling glass panels throughout the main and upper decks. This does more than just look good from the outside. It completely transforms the interior experience by blurring the line between the luxurious cabin and the surrounding ocean. It creates a sense of infinite space, making the 115-foot interior feel vastly larger than it actually is. The sun deck is another highlight, designed to be the ultimate social hub, with an integrated bar, a lounge area, and a glass-fronted infinity pool that offers panoramic views of the horizon. Stepping inside the yacht is where the real magic happens. The interior volume has been distributed so effectively that the vessel can comfortably accommodate 10 guests in 5 high-end cabins without anyone feeling squeezed. The owner's suite is positioned on the main deck, a feature usually reserved for much larger yachts. This allows for a full-beam stateroom with private office space, a walk-in wardrobe, and a massive ensuite bathroom. By moving the master's quarters to the main deck, the designers have freed up an enormous amount of space on the lower deck for 4 additional guest cabins, all of which feature their own private bathrooms and high-end finishes. The common areas are equally impressive, with an open-plan main salon that feels more like a luxury penthouse in Monaco than a cabin on a boat. The ceiling heights are significantly higher than the industry average for this size class, further enhancing the feeling of grandeur and airiness. One of the most innovative aspects of this 115-foot concept is the beach club located at the stern. In a traditional 35-meter yacht, the beach club is often just a small swim platform, but here it has been transformed into a legitimate lounge area. When the side wings and the transom door are opened, the space expands to create a massive seaside terrace where guests can relax just inches above the waterline. This area also houses a tender garage and a jet ski storage bay, which are neatly tucked away to preserve the clean lines of the yacht. It is this attention to detail and the ability to fit these premium features into a compact frame that makes this concept so appealing to the modern yacht owner who wants all the toys without the logistical headaches of a massive vessel. Performance and sustainability have also been at the forefront of the development of this 115-foot project. The hull is optimized for fuel efficiency, utilizing advanced hydrodynamic simulations to ensure that it glides through the water with minimal resistance. This not only increases the cruising range, but also significantly reduces the carbon footprint of the vessel. In an era where environmental consciousness is becoming a priority for luxury buyers, the ability to offer a high-volume experience with lower emissions is a major competitive advantage. The yacht is designed to be equipped with a hybrid propulsion system, allowing for silent electric cruising in sensitive ecological areas and at anchor, which further adds to the sense of peace and exclusivity on board. From a practical standpoint, the 115-foot length is a strategic choice for the savvy owner. In many of the world's most famous marinas, docking fees are calculated by length, and some of the most beautiful harbors have strict size limits that prevent larger superyachts from entering. By offering the interior volume of a much larger ship within this 35-meter bracket, the owners get the best of both worlds, the luxury and space of a mega yacht and the accessibility and lower operational costs of a smaller vessel. It is a pragmatic approach to luxury that reflects the changing attitudes of high-net-worth individuals who value efficiency and smart design just as much as they value opulence. The market impact of this concept cannot be overstated. As naval architects continue to push the limits of volume and space, we are seeing a new subsegment of the industry emerge. This volume king approach is forcing other manufacturers to rethink their standard designs and to focus more on the internal architecture rather than just the length of the hull. For the designers of this 115-foot masterpiece, the goal was clear: to create a vessel that feels like a home rather than a boat. Every corner of the interior has been considered, from the lighting schemes that change based on the time of day to the acoustic insulation that ensures total privacy for every guest. It is a holistic approach to yachting that prioritizes the human experience above all else. As we look toward the future of the superyacht industry, projects like this serve as a blueprint for what is possible when you combine artistic vision with cutting-edge engineering. The 115-foot concept is a bold statement that luxury is not defined by how much space you have, but by how you use it. It is a celebration of the open sea and a testament to the fact that the most incredible things often come in compact and perfectly designed packages. Whether you are a veteran yacht owner or someone looking to enter the world of superyachting for the first time, this vessel offers a compelling case for why less length can actually mean more luxury. As this concept moves closer to reality, it will undoubtedly remain the talk of the industry, proving once and for all that volume is the new gold standard of the ocean.